Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchak and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And I'd like to welcome you here today. First off, today is Sunday and it is Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to those of you out there. And I hope you are enjoying your day with family, friends, and maybe some stamping or whatever it is that makes you happy and what you enjoy doing. So I have been a little bit absent. Things have been a little bit hectic around here. And yesterday things didn't go as planned, like sometimes happens. So I'm a little bit behind in my unboxing. And while I was away, I actually have 2 boxes to share with you. So I thought today would be the perfect day to do some sharing. It's kind of crappy here outside today. It's a little cold, damp. I have like a sweater on. Who would think it's like almost the middle of May? But it's raining and it's just the perfect day. So let's go ahead and we'll start with the first box. And I know one of these is not too exciting, and I believe this is the one. But we'll see. We'll see. Maybe the next one will be, huh? So I was running so low on my snail adhesive, so it was time to stock up on refilling my orders. So I also have in here the freebie gifts for those of you that took advantage of my host code for April. I have your free gifts for you, so I will be sending them out shortly along with a hand-stamped specialty thank you card. And of course, running low on envelopes as well. And see, I told you one was kind of boring. And I have 2 packs of cardstock, one being very vanilla and one being Whisper White. So that is all that is in that box. My cats will be happy because they love boxes. I'm sure if you're a cat person, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, so let me move all those things out of the way. And here is box number 2. And I think this is the exciting box. Alright, so let's see what we have in here. Being a demonstrator, we are able to have a pre-order on some items. So that's pretty much what is in this box. My first order placed with Stampin' Up! Since the onstage event. And look at this fun stamp set. It's called Enjoy Life. And this was actually a $1 million stamp set chosen by, I believe it was... it doesn't say. I think it was Connie Stewart. So when you reach $100,000 in sales in your career, you get to go to our home office and you get a tour of the office. You get all kind of, they just spoil you with congratulatory, all sorts of things. And you get to work with the designers and come up with a stamp set of your very own. So this was her stamp set. And I love the font. I love all the sayings. How beautiful a day can be when kindness touches it. Wake up, kick butt, repeat. I need to say that every single day. I don't think I could more than I already do. Miss you, love you, thank you kindly. How beautiful a day can be when kindness touches it. And that's so true. When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love. And I just adore this set. When I first saw it, I didn't really think much of it, but I saw the sayings and the font, and it's photopolymer, so yep, I had to get it. Okay, next up we have now. Oh, you know what these items are? During my celebration, I want to thank you all who helped me earn some awards. So that's what these items are from. These are from my rewards that I won during celebration. So actually these items are FREE free. And if you want to learn how to get items at a discount along with getting some free items, you'll want to definitely join my team over at stampinsucreates.stampinup.net. So that's what these are now that I'm thinking about it. But we did have a pre-order, so I ordered some new cardstock. So, okay, back to what we're doing. All right, so this is a stamp set called Abstract Impressions, and this is going to be a new set along with the previous one in the upcoming catalog. And I love this. I know I never seem to have enough flowers, but I love the sayings. There's so much to love about you. Kindness changes everything. So happy about your happy news. Thank you. If flowers were hugs, I'd send you 1,000. I love that one. This one is also a photopolymer and larger than it shows on the stamp case. So the other one was as well. And do you like our new designs? I don't know if you've been noticing my unboxings. This is our new design. Stampin' Up! Kind of went across the board and changed all of our cases, our whole total look of things. And I love the new look. I mean, black and white is just classy to me. So now this is the Springtime Impression Thinlit dies. And this coordinates with the Abstract Impressions stamp set. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. Oh, goodness. Come on out. I don't think it wants to come out today. There we go. Okay, put that aside. All right. And I love these plasticky folders because I like to keep my dies in there. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. This just does not do it justice in the catalog. Look at this piece. Well, number one, look at this butterfly. They have it on here with tape. And I like to get the magnet sheets. But look at that butterfly. As you know, our current butterflies are retiring. So I'm so excited to see that Stampin' Up! Has decided to come out with a new one. And look at this. I'm really doing a number on this. They really use strong adhesive on that. Oh my goodness, look at the size of this. Let's hold it up against here. Look at that. Ooh, that is going to be so much fun. And look at this edge that's going to be cut out. And then there's also a little flower as well. Oh, I'm going to have a lot of fun with that. We may have to use this at either my upcoming Stampin' Bingo or my upcoming new catalog release party. Check those out if you're in the area, or if you're not, it's worth the trip, on my events page. Okay, let's see what else I got. These are real heavy. More boxes for recyclables. Oh, these are the new color assortment, 8.5 by 11 cardstock. Because we're doing a whole revamp of all of our colors. So I wanted to order all of the new colors. And, okay. And, ooh, look what else I got. Yay! Although I've already got one when I went to Onstage, but with your first demonstrator order, you're able to, they'll send you one of these for free. But if you sign on as a demonstrator, you get a whole case of them. So I could just show you the front and the back. And I can't show you what's inside just yet. But June 1st is coming soon, so I'll be able to. So yeah, we're revamping all of our colors. We're having a whole color revamp along with the new design of our ink pads. So you'll want to go back and check out those videos. So I wanted to kind of clear the slate of my current way that I store my ink, not my ink, my cardstock. And I wanted to get all new packs. So I think I may be making you a little something if you're coming to my event, so that you will have a swatch of all the new colors. So I'm hoping to get that done. But you got to be here to get. So I'm just going to slice these open. I want to keep them in the packet so I don't get them confused until I get myself acclimated to the new colors. And I got about 5 minutes left. on this video, so I think we should be good. So let me just slice all these open, and then we can take a peek at them. Okay, so this is the new Cuddles. Yeah, Cuddles. Where did that come from? Subtles cardstock. And here's the new colors. Ooh, yes. Look at these colors. Aren't you loving them? Some are returning and some are new. So yes, new subtles. Next we have our Regals. Let me just thumb through them for you so you can get a visual on them. Again, some new, some returning. They've moved, they've moved a few of them around in the color selection. This one, oh, we'll leave that one. Returning, we'll leave that one. Here is the neutrals. And look at, they moved some of the greens and the navy into the new neutrals line. I hope you're getting a good look at these. It's kind of hard to thumb through. We have a nice quality of our cardstock. Then what else do we have? Oh, we have our brights. Okay, let's take a look at them. Ooh. Ooh, these are definitely bright colors. I love them. Oh, look at that. Ooh, yes. I'm very excited about them. I'm sad to see some of our colors go, but I'm excited to see the new ones, which this is our new in color cardstock. This is the 2018-2020 cardstock, and look at that blue. Ooh, yeah. Wait, let me get a look here at these. Oh, it's so hard to do this. My fingers aren't working because of the weather. But look at, these are like almost like bright primary colors. Love the crisp cantaloupe. That one I'm going to really enjoy, and the yellow. So those are new in colors. These are returning colors. This is a pack of those. So there you get a look at them. Okay. And this is the whole, I didn't open this one yet. This is the whole new color assortment of cardstock. So all the new colors, they combined into a pack of cardstock. So, I mean, Stampin' Up! Really does a lot for us as being demonstrators. So all of these in here are brand new colors. Oh, I skipped through a few. And so you may have seen them before in the other. Oh, look at that purple. I love the new blue. Oh, that's pretty. And that. So yeah, that's what we have. A new assortment of all new colors, all new revamp, all new creating starting June 1st. So if you're a current customer of mine and you've purchased from me within the past year, you will be getting a new catalog from me. I have one reserved for you. So if you're coming to the May 24th event, you can, it's a free event that I'm hosting here at my home, and you can stop by to pick up your catalog, and I'm going to have a make and take and just some snacks and goodies for you. So feel free to come by. Now, if you have not purchased from me and you're interested in a catalog, all you have to do is contact me. If you don't currently have a demonstrator, if you have a demonstrator, then I would just suggest you contact her to get you a catalog. But if you don't have a demonstrator and you're interested in a new catalog, all you have to do is contact me, send me an email at stampinsuecreates@gmail.com. And the charge for that will be $10. I'll get that out to you, or if you're local, you can come by and pick it up. And when you place your first order, I will refund you that $10 because we do have to purchase the catalogs. So, sometimes people just want them and then, they never order, and, it's business. So, yeah, $10, but you'll get refunded with your first order that you place through me. So, yeah, thanks so much for stopping by and going through some of my new and old products that I received. And I look forward to stamping with you all again real soon. So have a great day. Happy Mother's Day. Enjoy your day. And I look forward to seeing you back here again real soon. Bye for now.